Just passed class 12? Planning to study abroad, but you don't even have a passport. And now you're hearing terms like PSK, Tatkal, ARN, police verification, and it all sounds confusing. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you the complete Tatkal passport process step by step, exactly you're doing it for the first time. First thing, Tatkal means urgent passport. Normally a passport can take 2 to 4 weeks, but with Tatkal it can be issued within 1 to 3 working days if your documents are correct. And usually it is the most fastest option for students applying for university admissions and visa. The very first step is simple. Open Google on your phone or laptop and type Passport Seva in the search bar. You will usually see the official Passport Seva website at the top search results. Make sure you click on the official government website only. Usually it shows passportindia.government.in. You will see options like new user registration, existing user login, and track application status. If you are applying for the first time, click on new user registration. When filling in your personal details on the Passport Seva portal, such as your full name, date of birth, place of birth, or parents' details, there's one very important thing you need to keep in mind. The information you enter must match your supporting documents exactly. The safest practice is to use your class 10th mark sheet as your primary reference, because in most cases, your name and date of birth are verified through it. At the same time, check your Aadhaar card as well, since it is commonly used as both identity proof and address proof. If there is any mismatch in your name, date of birth, or parents' name across documents like Aadhaar card, class 10th mark sheet, PAN card, or birth certificate, your application may be delayed. And one more important thing, choose your nearest passport office carefully. After registration, verify your email and login. Use an email you check regularly. Now use your login ID and password. After login, click Apply for Fresh Passport or Reissue of Passport. If this is your very first passport application, select Fresh Passport instead of Reissue, because Reissue is only for people who already have or had a passport before. Next, you will see the option to choose between normal and Tatkal. Here select Tatkal if you want your passport process to be faster. Tatkal is the priority service which usually gives you an earlier appointment and quicker passport processing compared to normal category. But remember, Tatkal has a higher fee than normal. So make sure you are choosing it only if you need your passport urgently. Now comes one of the most important parts of the application, entering your personal details. At this stage, the portal will ask you for your basic identity information. Fill in everything carefully, because these details will be verified later through your documents. You will need to enter full name. Write your name exactly as it appears on your class 10 mark sheet or your main identity proof. Avoid short forms or nicknames. Date of birth. Make sure your DOB matches your class 10 mark sheet, birth certificate, or Aadhaar card exactly. Even a small mismatch can cause delays. Place of birth. Enter your city, district, and state correctly. This should match your official record if applicable. Gender. Select the correct option as per your government documents. Aadhaar. Link details. If your Aadhaar is linked and updated, it can make identity and address verification smoother. Double check the spelling, address, and DOB here as well. If you just completed 12th, select 10th pass or above based on the available option. Non-ECR. If you pass 10th, you are usually non-ECR. This is the stage where many applicants make a small mistake like spelling errors, incorrect parent names, or mismatched dates, and those mistakes can create problems later during police verification or document verification. So before typing anything, keep your class 10 mark sheet, Aadhaar card, and any other supporting documents open beside you and cross-check every detail line by line. Now you will move to the family details section. This part is very important because the details you enter here will also be printed in your passport records and used during verification. Here you will need to fill in father's full name, enter your father's complete name exactly as per official records. Mother's full name, enter your mother's complete name carefully. Guardian details if applicable. This is mainly required for minors or special cases where a legal guardian is involved. This address is very important because police verifications happens here. Now you will move to the address details section. This step is very important because your passport will be linked to the address and your police verification will usually happen here. You will need to fill in current address into the place where you are currently living right now. This should be your actual present address, especially if you are staying in another city for studies or work. Permanent address. If your permanent address is different from your current address, fill it separately. If both are the same, you can usually select the same as current address option. Enter the correct postal pin code carefully. This helps the system identify your correct Passport Seva Kendra and police station jurisdiction. This section decides where your police verification will happen, which regional passport office handles your case, which appointment centers will be available to you. Now required: Aadhaar card, 10th mark sheet or birth certificate, address proof, PAN card, student ID or school ID. For Tatkal, additional supporting documents may be asked depending on your case, carrying originals and photocopies. Recent portal changes may ask digital uploads too. After submission, you will get something called an ARN, application reference number. Take a screenshot or write it down. You will need it later. This is the stage where your application becomes active for appointment bookings. At this step, you will need to pay the passport fee. If you selected Tatkal, the fees are usually Rs 5,000 for a 36-page passport booklet and Rs 6,000 for a 60-page passport booklet. After payment is successful, the portal will show available Passport Seva Kendra and appointment slots. Now choose your nearest Passport Seva Kendra, the most convenient date, the earliest available slot if you need the passport urgently. Now comes your Passport Seva Kendra appointment day. This is where your physical verification happens. Before leaving your appointment, make sure you carry original documents for official verification. Xerox photocopies, self-attested copies are usually safer to carry. Appointment receipt. This is mandatory for entry in the Passport Seva Kendra. Once you reach the Passport Seva Kendra, your process usually happens in 3 main counters. Counter A, document check. This is the first checkpoint. Here the staff will check all your documents, application details and appointment receipt. They will verify your name, date of birth, address, supporting documents. If something is missing or mismatched, they may stop the process here. Counter B, verification. At this stage, a passport officer will review your application in detail. They may ask simple questions like, why are you applying? Is your address current? Are all details correct? This is mainly to confirm your information. Now counter C, final approval. This is the final stage. A senior officer reviews everything and gives the final approval for the application. If everything looks correct, your application moves forward for passport printing and police verification if required. During your visit, they will also capture your biometric details. Passport photo taken at the center itself, fingerprints, digital signatures, so there's no need to carry passport size photos unless specially asked. A few important tips. Reach at least 30 minutes early. Dress neatly for your passport photo. Keep all documents organized in one file. Stay calm, the process is straightforward. Usually, the full process takes around 1 to 3 hours depending on crowd, slot timing and document complexity. Once completed, you will receive an acknowledgement receipt. Keep it safe for your tracking application status later. One important thing to understand about the Tatkal passport process is that in many cases, your passport is issued first and the police verification happens later. This is called post-police verification. That means if your documents are correct and your Passport Seva Kendra appointment goes smoothly, your passport can be printed and dispatched quickly, often much faster than the normal process. But that does not mean the process is fully over. After your passport is issued, your local police station may contact you or visit your home for verification. During police verification, they usually check whether you actually live at the address mentioned in your application, whether your identity details match your submitted documents, basic family details for confirmation. So it's very important to stay prepared. Keep these documents ready. Aadhaar card for identity and address verification, parents' ID proof, sometimes helpful for confirming family details, address proof such as electricity bill, rent agreement, bank statement or a valid residential proof. In some cases, the police officer may also ask for passport acknowledgement receipt, educational documents, neighbor verification depending on local process. A few important tips here. Make sure someone is available at your home if you are expecting a police visit. Keep originals and photocopies ready. Ensure your address details match what you filled in the application. Respond quickly if you get a call from the police station. If your police verification is successful, your passport remains valid without any issue. If you are planning for Germany, Italy or any other country after 12th, make your passport as early as possible. Because without a passport, no visa, no admission finalization, no travel. Think of your passport as the first document of your study abroad journey.
Confused about studying abroad? Don't worry, get free expert counselling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selections to visa, we cover it all. Message us hey on WhatsApp at 8377 000 581 for 100% free guidance.